Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or hackers. I just got today a new paranormal book. It is Bigfoot, UFOs, and the Paranormal True Encounters, Volume 1, Paul G. Buckner. And I will read the blurb on the back. Give me a moment to move this up. This was pretty cheap, $6.85. Alright, this came out in 2021. Book 1 of 4, and I don't know if he has other books, haven't looked yet. Everyone at some point has experienced something they can't explain. Perhaps they've felt a presence, or heard voices when alone, or they've seen something in the woods and their minds shouldn't exist. Imagine hiking along a favorite trail with your Labrador, when suddenly an 8-foot-tall creature covered in dark hair steps in the path before you. Your dog, usually fearless, cowers behind you, trembling. The creature notices you, turns, glowers, and charges. You have no way to defend yourself. You close your eyes and pray, fully aware you'll be torn to shreds in an instant. There's nothing you can do to stop it. The next thing you know, you awaken back in your car. Hours have passed in a void you can't recollect. Have you ever collapsed in a bed, exhausted, only to awaken paralyzed? You find yourself full awake but unable to move, as if a crushing weight rests in your chest. You can see, feel, and think, but cannot speak or move. Did it feel like a presence looming over you, watching intently, only to vanish instantly? Have you ever driven down a dark, lonely road, looking up at the night sky to see a shimmering light that seems to move in ways that defy the laws of physics? Thousands of eyewitnesses report eerily similar encounters. Others have had comparable experiences, but struggle to recall specific details or passage of time. The human mind possesses an unsettling ability to repress traumatic events as a means of self-preservation. So, alright, there we go. Channel numbers are 7145 and 582 subscribers. Thank you, subscribers, and 85,000 fetch points. Now, this does have some pictures in it, not much. Let's see. There's one. There's one. I haven't read the other one yet. Owls are associated with Bigfoot, apparently. There's the Bigfoot scaring a little boy. Shame on the Bigfoot. And there's Bigfoot going out into somebody's backyard, a woman hanging her wash. Obviously, these are the eyewitness stories. So, I will read this and do a review of it. Have a great night. Stay warm. Stay dry. Stay hydrated. Stay safe. It is 66 degrees. Absolutely no wind. Mama just came in to eat. This is George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching. Click on the like button and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Have a great evening and a great Sunday. And, as always, watch the skies. Bye-bye for now. See you later.